Hey guys, it's me Maria. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you get notified. In this video, I will be showing you how to create an ebook using Canva with the help of AI chat GPT. Alright, first go to Google and click the chat GPT. If you don't have account yet, you can log in or sign in. So since I have an account, I'm going to log in and there you go. So from here, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me 10 titles about toxic relationship. So once you write it down, just click the enter and it will give you 10 titles that you can use for your ebook. So I'm going to choose one of these titles about toxic relationship, and then I'm going to Google and then open your Google Docs. You see, okay, so once you open your Google Docs, you will open a blank template. There you go. And then you're going to copy and paste the title that you choose from the chat GPT. And then we're going to ask again the chat GPT to write an outline about the title that you choose, toxic relationship. So it will give you the outline of your ebook. And then once it's all done, we're going to highlight all of it. We're going to copy and then we're going to paste it into our Google Docs. And then we're going back to ChatGPT to write an introduction about our ebook. And then click enter and it will give you an introduction of your ebook. So once it's finished, we're going to highlight all of this and then we're going to copy and paste again into our Google Docs. So once we finish pasting our introduction in our Google Docs, we cannot just use as is, we need to check the plagiarism of this uh, introduction. So you're going to highlight all of this, copy again, paste, and let's go to Google to just check the plagiarism, okay? There is a quick bolt, you see that? You can just paste the introduction here so you can paraphrase it. Once you've pasted it, click the paraphrase and it will give you a new topic for your introduction. So now you can just copy and paste all of this and then you can go to Google again and check the plagiarism. There are many free plagiarism checker. And then you're going to paste here on this text box. And then let's wait for a second while it's still detecting the plagiarism. So now as you see here, there is a 0% and 100%. So it's 100% free from plagiarism. And then you can also go to Grammarly. You can go there and take your introduction. They have free account, premium, and business. So you can choose which one you want. But I have my premium account here. But you can also use the free version if you want to. Alright, so here as we did before, you just copy and paste your introduction here in Grammarly and it will show you a lot of suggestions and grammar corrections. So you just click on that and change, Yeah, so it all pops up on the top which you want to change, and sometimes they rephrase the paragraph. And then after you finish changing all of this for your grammar, and the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to uh, check the plagiarism of your introduction. So sometimes they give you this four kind of some suggestions, but you can choose which you prefer. All right, there you go. So once we finish all of this, we clean it up. Oops, there's another one here. All right, so once we finish this up, there at the bottom you will see the everything is correct. Check that one, check, and at the bottom there is the plagiarism. Click that one and it will tell you if it is okay or not. So all right, so nothing here, there's no plagiarism here. Sometimes they say 16%, 10%, things like that. But all your content, all your introduction is 100% unique. So you can use this introduction that you got from ChatGPT into your ebook. Then just copy and paste here to check your plagiarism and your grammar.